So, you're thinking about a Tesla? Awesome! Electric cars are the future, and Tesla is undeniably a leader in the pack. But with all the fancy tech and sleek design, a question pops into your head: what happens if something breaks? Are Teslas expensive to fix? Let's face it, car repairs can be a nightmare. Astronomical bills, confusing mechanics jargon, and the sinking feeling you're getting ripped off. You want a car that's reliable, sure, but you also don't want to be shelling out a fortune every time it sputters. Now, Teslas are different beasts altogether. They're electric, packed with cutting-edge technology, and rely less on traditional mechanical parts. This all sounds great for the environment and maybe even reduces maintenance needs, but does it translate to cheaper repairs? Well, buckle up, because the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. There's a twist, or two, in the tale of Tesla repair costs. The good news: fewer moving parts, potentially fewer problems. First, let's get some good news out of the way. Traditional gasoline cars have a lot going on under the hood. Internal combustion engines, transmissions, complex exhaust systems, it's a symphony of parts that can wear down, break, and need replacing. Teslas, on the other hand, ditch most of that complexity. They run on electric motors, which have far fewer moving parts. This inherently reduces the chances of something malfunctioning. Plus, Teslas are constantly receiving software updates over the air. Imagine fixing a minor glitch in your car by simply downloading a new program. That's the kind of future Tesla offers. So, fewer parts, potential software fixes, things are looking good on the repair cost front, right? Hold on, there's a catch: specialized parts and service. Here's where things get interesting. Those fancy electric motors and high-tech components in your Tesla? They might be more reliable, but when something does go wrong, things can get expensive. Tesla parts are specialized and often not readily available at your local mechanic. You'll likely need to take your car to a Tesla service center, which can mean longer wait times and potentially higher labor costs. There's also the issue of body repairs. Collision repairs on a Tesla can be quite pricey due to the unique construction and materials used. Battery blues, the most expensive fix? The biggest question mark when it comes to Tesla repair costs is the battery. It's the heart of the car, and replacing a damaged or degraded battery can be a real doozy. Battery replacements can vary depending on the model and the severity of the issue, but estimates range from $10,000 to a staggering $20,000. Luckily, Tesla batteries come with a decent warranty, so hopefully, this won't be a concern for most owners within the first few years. The insurance factor: to Tesla or not to Tesla? Here's another layer to consider: insurance. Because Teslas are packed with tech and can be expensive to repair, insurance premiums can be higher compared to similar gasoline cars. This might seem counterintuitive. Shouldn't a more reliable car with fewer parts be cheaper to insure? Well, the insurance companies are still figuring out the risk profile of EVs, and Teslas, with their high repair costs, can sometimes fall into a higher risk category. The verdict: Teslas, a calculated risk on repair costs? So, are Teslas expensive to fix? It depends. For regular maintenance and minor repairs, they might actually be cheaper due to the lack of complex mechanics. However, if a major component like the battery needs replacing, you're looking at a potentially hefty bill. The good news is that Tesla ownership is generally considered reliable, and the fewer moving parts do translate to a lower chance of breakdowns. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your risk tolerance and driving habits. If you're a careful driver and prioritize the environmental benefits of electric cars, the potential repair costs might be a calculated risk you're willing to take. But remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the potential repair costs of a Tesla, you can make a more informed decision about whether it's the right electric vehicle for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.